Okay, good morning everyone and welcome to our channel. This is Dee with D&D Gardening, and today is Monday, March 24th, and it is 11:25 a.m. I am getting ready to do something that I should have done this weekend, but I didn't. I'm getting ready to get my pots or my containers in place as far as planting some seedlings that I have out here that are just screaming at me and don't look happy at all. And I also bought out some pepper plants and my cucumbers so they can start hardening off and I can get those planted into where they go. Now, bean season or the time to plant beans hasn't gotten here yet. It's supposed to be here according to this little app that I use that I may have mentioned to you guys before. But the time to plant beans is April 2nd. So I think with today being the 24th, I'm going to go on and plant them. Maybe. Since I have to sow those outside anyway. But enough talking. I'm going to get my soil mixed up, add some perlite, some compost, and I'm also going to be reusing some soil that I've used before. So just hang out with me if you don't mind, and we'll get busy. I know that wasn't no grasshopper, because that was a big one, whatever it was. Alright, tunes are on. It's time to get busy, y'all. I found my box cutter. What?
See the spiders?
Where?
The little red.
Right there? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I killed a big one today. There's another one.
Bunch of them.
Yep. Don't put them in the food.
No.
They grow up to be big spiders.
They're serving a purpose. I don't know what
Well,
it is.
yeah. Clutter the whole backyard up with spider webs.
Yeah.
That's what they do. I'm getting attacked, y'all. These wasps or hornets or whatever they are coming into the area where I have my seedlings. Alright, long red cayenne going in. I think I'm gonna put in this eggplant instead. All right, Black Beauty. Oh yeah, it was time. Pull little roots. Habanero. Go away. I'm not bothering you. Don't come bother me. All right, ping tongue. That's a San Marzano. I'm going deep on this one.
If you're enjoying the content that is presented before you, do us a solid and utilize those buttons below the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna have to put a bamboo spike in here. Okay, got a California Wonder and a white acre pea that I don't know if it's gonna make it. I guess I could leave them in here, but since they're not seedlings anymore. All right, I got 2, 4, 6, 7 buckets full. Now I need to go and get some more. Okay. Now, I want to see if I was the only one who bit. But have you guys seen, and I know you have, this commercial from, I don't even know where it is, where it's from, but they are talking about this cherry tree that is so full of cherries, it is just unbelievable. Well, I bit because I like cherries. I love cherries actually. And I was expecting to get a seedling, or at least the dry roots of a cherry tree. Well, no, I got cherry seeds. And it was 2 for 1, so I got 2 packs of these Chilean cherry seeds. Yeah, so we will see if they are, as they say on here, high quality cherries, and we'll see if they even come up. I'm going to plant 2 in this pot, and we can follow along, or you can follow along with me to see exactly if I wasted my money or not. 9 times out of 10, I think I did. And I'm even embarrassed to tell you how much I spent for them. Well, no, I'm not, because I was under the impression it did not specify on the website or on the commercial that what you would be getting are seeds. So like I said, I thought I was getting bare roots, and they were $49 for 2 packs of cherry seeds. Because when I saw the envelope, I'm like, I don't know anybody that would be sending me anything. And when I opened them up and I saw the packages, I was like, oh my God. So I didn't buy bare roots? Yeah. So I was already not happy about that part. But, that's what happens when you order stuff you see on TV. So I think I got duped. But anyway, I'm going to plant it. I'll plant them, and we'll see how it goes. Now, I had closed all of these up because I was calling myself done for right now, because I need to get the drip lines ready for the containers I just filled. But I'm going to plant these first. Okay, so that was bone meal. Worm castings, and I probably should put it in a 5-gallon bucket instead of this pot, but I want to see, because I don't want to waste a whole bunch of soil thinking that I'm going to get something and I don't, if that makes sense. And that's not even closed. I hate these so-called resealable packages, but they don't reseal. Okay. Alright, this is blood meal. See if I can get you to reseal. I need to just put them all in containers like I was doing before. Okay, I think I got everybody in here. Yes. So let's get this all mixed up. So this is, oh, and the other thing that it said was that if you plant them now, you should have cherries by July. That's why I really was thinking that I was getting bare roots. That's why I thought I was getting bare roots, because I'm like, well, it would have to already be a tree, right? But no, I got seeds. So if anybody else bought any of those, let me know. And y'all, I got bone meal all over me because this stuff is so light. But if anybody else has bought these seeds and you've tried them before and they worked, let me know. Or if you tried the seeds, or if you ordered it rather, and you don't know what you're going to get, well, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get some seeds. So let's plant. I'm gonna do 4. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just so I can see. Because I would rather plant too many and get germination than to plant one and get no germination. So, dropping the little seeds in there. And we're going to get them covered up. And I'll get them watered in. So we will see what we get. Okay, so that should do it for today's video, but I'm real curious to find out if those little Chilean cherry seeds are gonna pop up. So stay tuned and we'll keep watching them. There are so many wasps. Ooh, they're giving me the heebie-jeebies. But anyway, thank you for joining me. If this is your first time or your 5th time visiting our channel or watching one of our videos, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified the next time we upload a video. And always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until I see you on the next one, I got it distracted by a hornet coming at me. But until I see you on the next one, take care. Bye. Okay, I'm going to let y'all have it. I'm going to let you have it. I'm going to let you have it.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.